Hi, I'm Jack from Indoor Outdoors, and this is our Bellamy Galvanised Planter Trough. As you can see, it's a wonderful sturdy product. Measures 900mm from the floor. And it's made in the UK from galvanised steel. It's quite a deep sized trough. This allows you to be planting any deep root vegetables or plants. Carrots or potatoes grow perfect in it. Even you could do tomatoes and put the bamboo sticks and grow it above ground. So it stops any slugs or insects disturbing your vegetable plants. So this does come without the legs affixed. So now I'm going to show you how to quickly bolt them on with the bolts and tools provided, and it's very quick and simple to do. So once you've opened your packaging, you're going to have 4 legs like this, an Allen key, a 10mm spanner which will look slightly different to this but it'll still work, 56 bolts, washers and nuts. So there's going to be a left and right leg, so 2 of the legs are different from the other 2, so you need to select the right one. You'll know if it's the right one because it's the only one that will line up. So this one, simply put on the side. You can see here, bolts line up wonderfully. You just take the bolt, put it through. You might want to help it through with the Allen key. Then on the inside, you want to put a washer first and then the nut. And again. You just want to do them hand tight at this stage of the build. And then the front. And once you've got all 4 legs in, 4 bolts in, then you can do it up. So just put the spanner on the inside. Take the Allen key and just tighten it. You don't have to go crazy tight. I think you'll agree it's quite easy to do. So no matter what your skill level on using hand tools, there you go. And you just want to repeat that on the other 3 corners. And then your planter is ready. It's going to be freestanding. So once the legs are bolted on, you can see it's very strong. They will last you maybe 25 years of gardening pleasure. So thanks for watching. Any questions, please let us know.